If everyone in your family has their own favorite cookie flavor, just like in mine, make sure to save this universal dough recipe. You can mix in any toppings you like, and the whole family will be thrilled. For the base dough, in a deep bowl, beat 1 cup of softened butter at room temperature with a mixer. Add 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 eggs. Sift in the dry ingredients: 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix into a soft, tender dough. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts. To the first part, add chopped dark chocolate. To the second, add dried blueberries and ruby chocolate. To the third, add finely chopped fresh mint, poppy seeds, and lemon zest. Mix everything well. Using an ice cream scoop, place dough balls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 11 to 13 minutes, until the edges are nicely golden. Our soft-baked cookies are ready. The kitchen smells absolutely amazing. From just 1 batch of dough, we made 3 different flavors. And now everyone can find their absolute favorite. I'm off to put the kettle on. Wishing you a cozy tea time. And I can't wait to see you back on my channel.